Tesla FSD version 1243 is rolling out. Tesla has begun rolling out its latest point update for the Supervised Full Self-Driving FSD software, as spotted by several non-employee customers who received the new version this week. On Thursday, Teslascope suggested that Tesla would likely be rolling out v12.4.3 instead of v12.4.2, following recent delays to the earlier update. Rollout of the prior version was later paused, and it has since been confirmed that Tesla is commencing the rollout of v12.4.3. There is still a small chance for v12.4.2 to go out as another wave, but our hunch is that attention is now focused on v12.4.3. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said last week that v12.4.2 had been delayed due to the low level of interventions, and the software's emphasis on training from intervention cases rather than on more normal driving circumstances. On Friday, multiple accounts on X pointed out that Tesla had subsequently begun rolling out FSD supervised v12.4.3. At the time of writing, the version is only going out to early access customers, though a few of them have already shared video footage of the system at work. Dave Lee, another FSD user who received v12.4.3 on Friday, shared multiple details about the new software on X. He specifically notes that it has a certain smoothness and confidence, along with improvements to important maneuvers, though as expected, it's still far from perfect. Lee notes that the new version resulted in what was probably the best FSD drive he has ever taken, highlighting a few awkward moments during an overall positive experience compared to many of the last several point updates. There's something about v12.4.3 that just made the 2 hours of driving much better than v12.3.6 for me, Lee writes. It felt like an upgraded driver, more confident, less hesitant. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.